Samsung is getting ready to introduce some serious camera upgrades with its next flagship, and new reports suggest that video recording on the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be noticeably better than what we've seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While Samsung phones have long been known for strong photography, video has often been the area where users expected more refinement, and with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, that gap may finally start to close. One of the biggest improvements is expected to be 5x zoom video recording, with reports claiming that footage captured at this zoom level will look cleaner, more stable, and far more detailed. This matters because the 5x camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra received mixed reactions, delivering good image quality but sometimes struggling with jittery footage, focus hunting, and visible noise in low light. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to use a similar 50-megapixel telephoto sensor with true 5x optical zoom, but this time the difference comes from refined hardware and smarter software. Samsung is reportedly using wider apertures across the rear cameras, including the 5x sensor, allowing more light to hit the sensor and significantly improving video quality in darker environments. With more light captured, night and indoor videos should appear cleaner, with reduced grain, better detail, and smoother motion, making a noticeable difference for users recording concerts, events, or nighttime city scenes. Stabilization and autofocus are also expected to see meaningful improvements, addressing complaints about shaky footage and inconsistent focusing on the previous model, which means handheld zoomed video should feel steadier and focus transitions should look more controlled and natural. Beyond hardware changes, Samsung is also improving video controls through its camera assistant, giving users more creative freedom when recording. New options are expected to allow manual adjustment of video sharpness, making it possible to dial back the overly sharp look and achieve smoother, more cinematic footage. Autofocus speed control is another important addition, letting users choose slower, film-like focus transitions or faster refocusing for action-heavy scenes, a feature that content creators and mobile filmmakers will especially appreciate. Color processing is also getting a major upgrade, as previous Galaxy Ultra models sometimes struggled with skin tones that looked overly warm, too smooth, or slightly unnatural. Reports suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers more accurate and realistic colors, with improved skin tones, better lighting balance, and more consistent color reproduction across both photos and videos. This is a crucial improvement, especially since many users currently favor iPhones for video recording due to their natural color science, and Samsung clearly wants to compete more seriously in that space. The overall camera approach on the Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to focus more on realism and less on aggressive processing, which is a welcome change. Low-light photography is also expected to benefit from the wider apertures, producing photos with more detail and less noise, while daytime shots should look sharper and zoomed images should retain more clarity when viewed up close. These improvements extend beyond photography into video as well, making the camera more reliable in all lighting conditions. Samsung is also adding practical features outside the camera, such as a new privacy-focused display that limits side-angle visibility, signaling a shift toward useful real-world upgrades rather than just pushing AI features. Taken together, these changes suggest Samsung is finally responding to long-standing feedback about its flagship cameras. Galaxy Ultra phones have always been capable, but innovation in recent years felt incremental, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to be moving toward meaningful refinement instead. Battery size may still be a concern, with Ultra models sticking close to 5,000 mAh while competitors push larger capacities, but reports of faster charging could help balance that out. If these camera and video upgrades perform as expected, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could become one of Samsung's strongest camera phones yet, offering cleaner 5x zoom video, improved low-light performance, better stabilization, more natural colors, and deeper manual controls, potentially setting a new standard for Android video recording in 2026.